Okay, Levi, so I wanted to take this video for you before you come out so you can assess the condition of what everything is in. And we talked for quite a while on the phone last night. So it's going to need hoist and drag, brake and clutch. The drum flanges are in good condition. They're flat. I don't know how out of round they could possibly be. But the brakes are nice on this crane as is, but they're thin, so I wanted to swap those out. Feather bands, they're serviceable, I would say. They do have a bit of play in them. I don't know how much is permissible. Everything in this general booster band assembly, nothing is terribly loose. I've seen these to where they're just completely sloppy, and these bands want to roll off of this drum. Swing brake will need to be adjusted and gone through. I still can't get that bolt to move. Engine mounts, we've got the parts for those. It's not this one on the radiator side, it's the other one. Oh wow. There you go, that's not good. That one grenaded too. Good thing I got the mounts. So that's telling the other half of the story. So I think we need to focus on this engine and the gear case first before we get into clutches, because that's not good. I never noticed that before. The turntable and the rollers, everything is good on that. Nothing's mushroomed. Everything looks all right. As with, I don't know how good you can see, the bevel gears. They're not terrible. They're in good shape. They got nice flat tops on them still. I know it's hard to see because of the sun, and they're all shiny with grease. There's no really bad wear or broken teeth. The controls are tight on it. I'll take you over to this side, show you what else I found. So here's the gear cases. I noticed that some of these bolts have been replaced and studded. So somebody has been in here before. And if you look at the alignment of the rag joint, I don't know how good it's going to show on camera. I can tell by eye that it is out of alignment. And you can see by the way that the rag joint's getting waves in it, that it's running out of alignment. Here is the other mount. This mount has one of the feet is broken off of it. But that other mount is 10 times worse, and I just noticed that. You can see the steel's riding right on the other mount here. That's not good. So lots of work to be done. Everything else seems to be in all right shape. I mean, we get the gear cases and the engine figured out. I think this will be a good running machine. Let's look at these mounts again. Yeah, this one just completely grenaded. And that's probably why the gear case is cocked, because the engine tilted. So there's a lot of work to be done here. But that's why I'm having you come in and help me. Hopefully we get this thing all straightened out and it's not going to be too terrible of a job. I'm sure you've seen worse. But